The overall goal of this micro-neutralization assay is to characterize all types of current circulating influenza viruses and the activity of antibodies and antiviral measurements in a quantitative, high-throughput, and highly sensitive manner.
This method can help answer key questions in the virology field, such as antigenic characterization of influenza viruses, quantitative neutralization of antibodies, and antiviral activities. The main advantage of this technique is that it characterizes the entire infected cell population, including visible and invisible plaques and single-cell infections. The micro-neutralization assay will be demonstrated by Dr. Yipu, Assistant Director of the WHO Collaborating Center for Influenza in London.
The biosafety level, or BSL, for the following protocol is BSL-2 for seasonal influenza viruses and BSL-3+ for potential pandemic influenza viruses. To begin, aliquot sufficient cells into 96-well plates. Incubate the cells at 37 degrees Celsius and 5% CO2 for 2 to 3 days to reach confluence. Using 70% ethanol, sterilize a multi-wall plate washer and use PBS or VGM to rinse it. Then, use 200 microliters of virus growth medium or VGM to wash the confluent cells. Aspirate the VGM from the cells and immediately add 50 microliters of VGM to each well. Next, add 900 microliters of VGM.